Hello, everybody. Welcome back to Hustle Diaries with Marianne. That's me. Yes. Yesterday, I actually did do my day 18, but for some reason, it didn't go through. So I'm doing that. I'm redoing that for today. For those people who have been supporting me and watching me for all these weeks. Okay? So for those who are new here, I'm Mary Ann, originally from Manila, Philippines, and now based in Ontario, Canada. A wife, a mom, and someone who's learning that sometimes perfection is the very thing holding us back. And this topic that I have in mind right now is waiting for perfect. May tanong ko sa inyo. Ilang beses na ba nating pinagpapaliban ng isang bagay dahil gusto natin perfect muna ang lahat? Maraming beses yan. 'Di ba? Perfect timing, perfect plan, perfect skills, perfect confidence, perfect circumstances. At alam ko, nakaka-relate kayo. Kasi ako nakarelate din ako dyan eh. Kasi honestly, madalas sinasabi natin sa sarili natin, siguro kapag mas ready na ako, or kapag mas marami na akong alam, o ano pa ba, kapag mas okay na yung timing, or kapag wala na akong ibang ginagawa, nako, kailan pa kaya yan? Tapos naghihintay tayo at naghihintay pa at minsan hindi na nating napansin, lumipas na ang mahabang panahon. And then, here's what I personally realize. Walang perfect timing. Because every season of life will have its own challenges, right? Kapag tapos na natin ang isang problema, may darating na namang bago. Kapag may extra time ka na, may iba ka namang priorities, right? And if we keep waiting for everything to be perfect, baka matagal tayong mag-intay, and the truth is, most successful people didn't even start perfectly. They started scared, unsure, and most of the time they started with what they had. Pero nagsimula sila. And because they started, natuto sila, 'di ba? Because action creates the experience, and then the experience creates the confidence, and then later on the confidence creates growth. Kaya ngayon mas gusto ko na nga isipin yung progress over perfection. Hindi kailangang perfect. Ang importante, umuusad. One small step at a time. One small improvement, one small action at a time. So today, ito ang pag-iisipan nyo ha. Ano yung bagay na matagal nyo nang gustong gawin pero iniintay nyo pa rin ang perfect timing? And what if today is good enough? What if you already have enough to take the first step? Because your future self won't remember if you started perfectly. Maaalala lang niya, nagsimula ka. Yon, di ba? So, yon. Thank you for spending a few minutes again with me in Hustle Diaries. Take care. Stop waiting for perfect. And I'll see you for day 19. Bye!